Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. Today we're going to be talking about skin, and the spring is in the air, the sun is out. We all need our SPFs. I'm one of those who's guilty as well, who doesn't always wear SPF during the day. I know I should, but I kind of figure if it's in the foundation, you know, I think I can get away. But at the moment, the sun is out. Thank goodness, after that horrible cold snap that we had a couple of weeks ago. And you know what? There's some really nice products out there. I was in my local chemist just a week or so back, and I got a whole load of stuff. All the products, I'm delighted to say, are under £20. So there is something there for everybody. So I'm going to show you what I have. So the first product I've got for you today is by La Roche-Posay. Good old La Roche-Posay. There it is. It's called the Effaclar Duo, and it has an SPF of 30. This is a super duper moisturiser. Prevents you from getting those sort of dark age spots and dark sort of pigmentation which the sun can cause. So I'm getting a few freckles and things around here. So I'm going to be using that throughout the spring, and I want to see how I get on with that. Now the other thing that they had was a new product. I know all the products in this video are supposed to be under £20, but this was £35. I just wanted to mention it's not a moisturiser in itself. It's something to put on under your moisturiser if you feel your skin's looking a bit dehydrated. It needs just that little bit of extra boost. It's very high in hyaluronic acid. This is a brand new product by La Roche-Posay, and it's flying off the shelves. This was the last one, I was told, when I was at the chemist. Really nice product. Your skin doesn't feel sticky at all. The moisturiser goes on top really nicely. There's no stickiness, I have to say, in either of the products, and it is suitable for all skin types. So the next product I'm going to talk about is the Hydrance Optimale by Avene. This is for very dry skin. It's really nice. I'm just going to show you. So it comes in a tube, which is nice and hygienic, and it feels quite light, but it's very hydrating. I've used this. It smells lovely, and your makeup goes on really nicely. It is for very dry skin. They do a couple of other moisturisers for normal skin as well, but this is really nice. It doesn't leave any sort of stickiness, any residue. It's a really nice moisturiser. I think it's nice in between seasons because, let's face it, it's still pretty chilly and the weather's still quite harsh out there, so it's quite nice. I don't know, I've got so many moisturisers. I just go in my cupboard. My friend was asking me just the other day, what moisturiser are you using? I just open my cupboard, look out the window, see how cold I feel, how my skin feels, and, you know, use whatever takes my fancy. So anyway, next we're going to move on to, actually we're going down in price. We started off at the highest points, we're going down and down and down. Next we have the Olay Provital, and this is a day cream in SPF 15. I really like this. This is, how much is it? It's £5.24, which I think is really nice. You can pick it up in your drugstore, Tesco, wherever. You can see that is well used. I reach out for that quite regularly. It's just an easy moisturiser. You know, I like the packaging. It's light. You can see how much is in there. As much as I like the tubes and they're hygienic, I resent the fact that you can't get every little ounce out. I mean, you can get everything out of that. That's really easy. This is something I use very regularly. It's just a nice, light, you know, rich-ish moisturiser. The jar doesn't appeal to everybody, but, you know, I like it. It's just in my bathroom cabinet. I just reach out for it. It's easy. Makeup goes on really nicely. There's really nothing to dislike. Next we have Nivea. This comes in a couple of different formulas. I've got the one for dry skin. This lives in my gym bag, and you can see it's virtually empty. It's just very convenient when you're at the gym. You know, you've got the flip top lid, easy, hygienic. So I really like that. That is £4.59, so it's under £5. It's just a winner. It's an all-time favourite. And last but not least, we have the Cien Day Cream with the SPF of 15. If you haven't already seen it, I've done a whole video on the Cien skincare range. I'm going to link that video in my description box so you can have a look at my review on the whole Cien range. This product was featured everywhere in all the magazines. Compared to La Prairie's very expensive skincare range, it's a really brilliant product. It's got lots of anti-aging ingredients in it, and as I said, it was flying off the shelves when I bought it. And I know at the time a friend of mine asked me to get her some. I couldn't, and I looked on eBay for her, and the price went up like 3 times. It was ridiculous. But I think, you know what, it's been out now for a month or two, so you should be able to find it. That one's in Lidl. This is not from my local pharmacy. This one is in Lidl, and only available in Lidl. So, you know, this is £3.50 or thereabouts. Fantastic price point. Can't go wrong. So you can see there is something there for everybody. We've got from £3.50 to around sort of £15. There's really no excuse for not looking after your skin. You can't say you can't afford a good moisturiser. You can. There really is something there for everybody. It's so important to look after your skin. Honestly, you will pay the price later. You might have a beautiful young skin, but I promise you, you will pay the price. I've seen it over and over again. So I hope I've managed to demonstrate to you that, you know what, there is no excuse for not using a moisturiser with an SPF. The sun is bad for your skin. It's really bad. You might enjoy that sort of sun-kissed look. We all enjoy it, let's face it. But you know what? If you don't use sun protection, your skin will age. You will get premature aging, I promise you. So there's no excuse at all. You know, you can get a moisturiser, you can spend hundreds of pounds on it, you can spend £3 on it. As long as it's got an SPF, you're sorted. You will reap the rewards in later life, and everybody will be telling you how wonderful your skin looks. Looking after your skin is so important. It makes your makeup look better. You know, if your skin is glowing, I mean, you know, it's just nice. Let's face it, we all like it if someone says to you, look amazing, how old are you? And they're not 10 years off. Isn't that nice? I know I like it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you've got any questions, please leave it in the comments box below. And otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye.